that's a police chase, my nigga. They gonna fuck this dude up when they catch his ass. Homo is running on 3 tires, yo.
No one on the corner has swagger like us. Swagger like us. Swagger like us. No one on the corner has swagger like us. Swagger like us. Swagger.
Getting good, dog. They exiting in Fontana. And what's cool is I can go this way. I still got time. Oh, look at that, look at that, look at that, look at that. Here we go, here we go. Oh, shit. Oh, and the best part, oh shit, I thought I had an automatic truck. Oh, there's the chopper. What? I think Homo blew out another tire. I don't see the chopper. I don't see where they went. Oh, they got his ass over there. He fucked up. Oh, damn it, Holmes. He fucked up. Okay, so it's 7:30 in the morning. I've been on the road since probably about 5:15, 5:20-ish, somewhere around there. And I'm finally out here in Ventura. So hopefully we will get this clutch installed today and everything will be good. This one is Sonic. This is my blue 2017 SI. And today we are installing Clutchmasters FX400 Stage 4 clutch. So right now I'm in the process of detuning my Civic Si because I had it previously on the +9 high tune and it will make your clutch slip, which was what I was experiencing with my car, which is why I brought to get the clutch switched out. +9 PSI via sport button. I ran that tune for quite some time and I didn't have any clutch issues. So since I'm switching out the clutch, what I'm going to do is I'm going to detune it to the +6 PSI tune via the sport button. So currently reflashing at 8 in the morning. How's it going, guys? So I just wanted to give a quick little update. Currently I have put nearly 400 miles on the Clutchmasters clutch, and I gotta say, at first it was a bit harsh on the engagement when I would take off from a dead stop in first gear, and it was a little bit harsh kind of between first and second gear shifts, but that was when it was initially installed. Now that I'm near 400 miles and the break-in distance, according to Clutchmasters website information, is they want you to drive it around 500 miles on casual driving. They don't recommend, I believe it was highway driving, so 500 miles freeway driving doesn't count. They want you to actually be in the street, banging gears, in traffic, stop and go, just regular day-to-day driving. So that's what they want you to do. But like I said, I've put nearly 400 miles on my clutch, and now it's starting to settle in. I have absolutely no chatter whatsoever when I engage first gear. I mean, if I get kind of lazy with my clutch foot and I kind of drag my heel, I might get a little bit of a little stutter. But when I shift with my heel not dragging on the carpet, like it's just fully on the pedal, I have no issues with chatter. Second gear shift, it's smooth, it's butter, it grabs. I mean, to be honest, with this clutch, over the stock, it feels like I gained more power to the car, which is probably not true. It's most likely not true, but it just feels that way. It feels so much better. The clutch is a bit heavy on the pressure side, but when I had the stock clutch in, when I would go to the track, I really couldn't tell if I was preloading the clutch or not, because when I would let it out, it would just be so light, like you really couldn't tell when it was engaged or not. Like you would just barely feel anything. This one, when you let the clutch out, you know when it starts grabbing. You could feel it start to grab. So it should be better. This week they have a track night coming up tonight, but I won't be attending that. I won't be racing the car because, like I said, the clutch doesn't have 500 miles on it yet. So once I get the clutch over 500 miles, I'll probably push another 200 before I decide to take it to a track. My fastest time in the car was a 14.7. That was done at Bakersfield, and that was also done at Auto Club Speedway in Fontana. So I hit 14.7 both times, and that's a completely stock car. And the only thing that was in there was the Honda +9 tune. That's it. No downpipes, no intakes, nothing else. Just the Honda +9 tune, and those were on the stock clutch. So I'm interested in seeing what will happen with the new clutch installed and on the same tune, possibly. Might not be the same tune. I might have to get something else. But there's more parts that still need to be installed in the car. That's going to be coming along. I'll be making videos on those as well. I really don't know if people need tutorial videos, because there's a ton of videos that are out there already on how to remove bumpers, how to install this, how to install that. So my perspective will probably just be, this is what it feels like, and when I go to take the car to get tuned and it's on the dyno, then I'll also show you some of the numbers that we get, some of the power performance we could squeeze out of it. But that's it for now. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thanks for watching.